Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add a payment method to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have one, just go and create a new one, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding payment methods to our Ecwid store. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to go ahead and find this section right here that says payment. By opening up payment guys, it's going to open up this new payment method menu where we can take a look at all the methods we have and all the methods we can get started with adding. So you have the option to pay by cash that you can add it for everybody to use. Then you have the option to add PayPal right here. As you can see, you can connect your PayPal account and you can add manual payment methods that you want, give them a name, description, and so on that you want to use. But basically guys, here you have all the payment methods that you can use in your country, and you can choose any payment processor that you want to go ahead and start using their payment methods for yourself and for your store. If you cannot find them right here, you can use this section right here to go ahead and find new payment methods that you can add Ecwid to add it to your store, buy them personally. But yeah guys, that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.